So for audio, there are a bunch of effects that you can apply as well. And now we're going to look at how we can work around with the channel volume effect and the delay effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects, and then over here you can see that audio is an option. And if I were to see show all, then you can see all of the audio options you can see right here. So here you can see that the first effect is channel volume, and that simply allows you to go around and change around the channel volume of different channels right here. So once I go around and change the left channel to be higher than the right, then if I were to press the play button, the volume is much more higher on the left channel. I can decrease out the volume of the right channel just like this. And now there's only the audio on the left channel. Similarly, if I were to go around onto the right channel right here, then the volume is all towards the right channel, and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is what I can do. Now that is one thing, and another thing that I can do over here in audio is I can go around and work around with delay. So if I were to click and drag around the delay over here, then what happens is that the delay effect is applied. And if I were to press the play button, there's a bit of a delay that is applied. We can go around and change the seconds of delay right here and change around the feedback and mix as well. And that is what you can hear, a bit of delay in the audio. So that is how you can work around with channel volume and delay effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.